Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. We're talking about Amaozn KDP today. I wanted to show you this website that I found, Bookbird. Probably everybody already knows about it, but something you might not know is that they actually give you Amaozn KDP interiors for free. This is huge because these things are the things that take the longest when it comes to KDP, and normally you have to pay for them. And they have a few different things. They have coloring books, they have low content books, and they have no content books, which is super interesting. All you have to do is go on bookbird.io/templates/free. And yes, this is a marketing ploy. You are putting yourself into their email kind of, marketing sequence. So you will get a load of emails from them. But all you have to do is click on that button, and then here all you have to do is put a 0, and then I already have it, so let's just go on my Gmail. And as you can see, you will get this email, and all you have to do is click download templates, and hopefully, yeah, there we go, perfect. So there are the Mythical Monsters bundle, which would be good for a coloring book if you wanted to. This definitely has some kind of potential, but it's not the one I'm going to be focusing on. There's the Notorious Ninjas bundle, which again, I'm not going to be focusing on it. The Logbook bundle and the Beginner bundle are where things get very interesting. And they get interesting for two reasons. Number one is because they're actually really good. So I was looking at this before. This is the cheese tasting journal. This is amazing. Okay, there might be loads of these already, but you can definitely find keywords in this niche where you can kind of stand out because of having better SEO. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video as well, so make sure you stick towards the end of the video to understand how to do that. But I just want to talk about all of these different things. So they've got budget journals, which is amazing. And the way KDP works is the inner is kind of like generic, and then the outer is made by you. So you make a cover, and you can push the cover in any direction that you want. So for example, you could do like a budget to buy a house, a budget planner to, I don't know, move to California, and then you do all these different things, but you always use the same inner, okay? So it's actually quite a simple process, which is why I really like the idea of Amaozn KDP. Scuba diving logbooks, amazing. Physiotherapist journal, amazing. Meditation diary, wow, these are really good. And yeah, super interesting, and I really wanted to just tell people about this because, when I find something that's good and free, I really like to make a video about it. Let's just quickly unzip the beginner bundle and have a little look. And for me, this is the most interesting one, and I'll show you why in a minute while that's loading. Okay, so this is inside the file. This is just an overview. So they have numbered paper. Let's zoom in a little bit. Numbered paper in the corners, sketch paper with a border, sketch paper with corners. They have all of the ruled paper here. We have graph paper, dot grid paper, and journal paper. I think that's everything. Yep, perfect. So this is the same thing. It's just really simple to have these innards. Okay, so just in case there were any doubts here, this is the license at the bottom of their Gumroad. So you're allowed to use of the original and modified graphics for commercial distribution on all print-on-demand services. You're allowed to upload and create items to sell on any POD platform, manipulate and modify templates, or design elements to sell them as physical end products, so you can use it for your own print-on-demand thing, and create unlimited physical end products and POD items. Okay, so we are covered basically, especially to sell on KDP. Okay, so now that I've shown you that you can get these innards, you know how to make things on Canva, etc. Just go on Canva, look at the specifications for the sizes, etc. to make the covers. Now let's talk about actually finding some keywords. So I'm going to do siteamaozn.com, and then in title, and I'm going to go back to the logbook. If you don't know what I'm doing here, if you haven't really seen my videos before, I'm using a search operator to do an advanced Google search directly into Google itself. And I'm going to put, let's do budget planner. So in title, budget planner. This should give us some interesting niches like this. I just said niches. Simplified monthly budget planner. There you go. So simplified will, and also monthly are both keywords which add the ability for you to rank, if that makes sense. So that's how my logic and how SEO generally does work. Okay, so unfortunately that mainly gives us products, but if we do in-text results, okay, this is where things get really, really interesting, and this is kind of where my methods come from. It starts to show us Amazon search result pages, okay? So we've got budget planner organizer, love budget planner, don't know what that means. Simplified monthly budget planner, this might be a product, yeah, it is a product. Some of these are products as well, you will have to scroll through them. Okay, household budget planner. This is a perfect keyword, guys, okay? This is what I'm talking about. So the reason it's a household one is because you're gonna make it a household planner by putting that on the cover, and then you can maybe edit the images that they have given you a little bit to make it more like a household planner if you think that's necessary, but it's probably not even necessary. Okay, weekly expenses tracker. That's another really good keyword. So what I recommend you do, I'll leave this in the description or in the comments or whatever, and then you can just slowly put each one of these into here. So in title, I'm going to put scuba diving logbook, and then press enter. As soon as you see that there's 1,500 results, we know that this is a good keyword, and obviously they have done their research here, and therefore we know that these are probably the best keywords for KDP, which is making me a little bit excited as well, because this is turning out to be a really good video, because not only am I giving you the free inners, or I'm giving you a way to get the free inners, I'm also showing you how to use those inners to then find keywords. So the final thing I want to talk about is Ahrefs, okay? Unfortunately, Ahrefs is very expensive, but you can also use something like SEMrush or SEMrush, okay? And you go here, go on Site Explorer, type in Amaozn.com, and then filter for each of these keywords. Sorry if you can hear the kids outside, guys. So I've put contains budget planner here. We can scroll down, we can see, for example, Clever Fox budget planner. I think that's probably copyright, honestly. There we go, household budget planner. This is exactly what I was talking about before. There are really not that many results on Amazon. There's only 200 results. Let's put, everyone always tells me I need to put a US zip code, so let's try that, US zip. Just give me one, 0001, 00001. Okay, so as we can see, I've put a US, I'm now delivering to Long Island, and it's still only 239 results. So that is a very good keyword for sure. So Ahrefs is a good way to check, and also you can find your keywords here as well. You can also use SEMrush, like I said before, and just do your research. Use these keywords. They've basically given you all of the keywords, which is really good for us. As usual, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps some people make some KDP sales, and I'll see you soon with some more content. Peace out.